Are those the Taylor Hill guards over there? Fucking A, baby. I hiked that motherfucker. And that motherfucker. No, I hiked. Dude, did he? Yo, you got a meeting after this? What's going on?
We got that KKK meeting.
Ah, dude, this is a YouTube video. You're an employee. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit more that way.
Yeah,
But that's like Cameron, though.
It's that valley.
Yeah, that's like Cameron.
Probably yes.
Yo.
Difficult.
Maybe.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. We made it. Trim base. Above all these mountains right now. Fuck yeah, baby.
And he doesn't care.
Did they beat us out? Were those the ones that were in the line?
Maybe.
Those bastards.
They go really fast.
Really?
Yeah.
That's wild. I can't stop.
Tom, in those nice chinos that I bought you, bro. Tom was the pro hiker. Can't even see him. Just hiked that ridge all the way to the peak. Fucking Lone Peak, baby. Higher than all these mountains out here. Taylor Hill Guard Mountains over there. This is the Yellowstone Club. Oprah Winfrey lives over here in Tom Brady. Big cedar. A little bit of snow over there. Dude, I fucking made it, baby.